Well, gusty winds are expected this Wednesday across the area, and we start the day off with those gusty winds out of the south to southwest. But notice by noon, we start to shift the winds to the west, eventually the northwest and north. Now, at noon today, we should have wind gusts that are up around 20 or 25 miles per hour. At 4 p.m., the winds have made their way around to the northwest, some wind gusts 25, maybe 30 miles per hour at that time. And even into the early evening hours, it is going to remain breezy across the area. We do have a cold front that'll be moving through the area today, late morning into the early afternoon. Now, the computer models are just all over the place this morning on whether we will see showers and thunderstorms or not as that front moves through, but we've kept them in the forecast even though it may not show it on the map because, things were a little more active yesterday than what the models were showing as well. As far as severe weather's concerned, the Storm Prediction Center, they're thinking that there could be some thunderstorms with this front moving through too. It has just general thunderstorms, the Lansing and Jackson areas, but we have a marginal risk, Hillsdale County, parts of Lenawee County and Washtenaw County, extreme southeastern Jackson County, and then the greater risk of severe weather is actually off to our south and east. So here is a look at the hour-by-hour forecast, and this takes us through 11:30, and we should have a mix of clouds and sun for the early morning hours. We get to around midday. This is about the time that front's moving through. And notice this computer model not showing much here, but I think there could be a shower storm for some of us at that time. The front heads down or off to the south and east, and we shift the winds around to the west to northwest by 3 o'clock this afternoon. We have a mix of clouds and sun as the afternoon hours wear on too. So it's late morning, early afternoon. We'll have to watch for maybe a shower or storm. We end up being partly cloudy tonight. The wind should start to diminish a little bit during the overnight hours. And then during the day on Thursday, we are partly to mostly cloudy. There's actually going to be some lake effect rain showers because of some cold air near the Lake Michigan shoreline, and we can't rule out maybe a sprinkle making it to our area tomorrow afternoon. And then we clear out tomorrow night. That's going to allow us to drop back into the 30s for overnight lows. So for today, it's one more warm day. We should be able to make it into the low 80s. It is going to be a windy day at times with a mix of clouds and sun. Late morning into the early afternoon, some of us could see a shower or storm. Now tonight, we're partly cloudy. It's breezy, at least through the evening hours. Our low tonight, 51 degrees. For tomorrow, a partly to mostly cloudy day, maybe a sprinkle. Our high 58 degrees. Notice we're back in the upper 30s Thursday night. Friday, some sunshine, a high of 63. Saturday, it looks pretty good for the MSU football game. We're partly cloudy, a high of 67. Some rain showers on Sunday, a high of 68, and then we're back in the low 60s on Monday.